To set up Fifth Third Bank online banking, start by going to the Fifth Third Bank website and clicking on the Online Banking Login tab. If you are a new user, click on the Enroll Now button to begin the enrollment process. You will be asked to provide your social security number, account number, and other personal details to verify your identity. Once you have entered the required information, you will be prompted to create a user ID and password. Choose a unique and secure user ID and password that you will use to log in to your online banking account. It is recommended to use a combination of letters and numbers and to avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date. After creating your user ID and password, you will be asked to set up security questions and answers. These questions will be used to verify your identity if you forget your password or need to access your account from a different device. Choose questions and answers that are easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Next, you will be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of the online banking service. Take a few minutes to read through the terms and conditions to understand your rights and responsibilities as a user of the service. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, you will be logged into your online banking account. From here, you can view your account balances, transaction history, and statements. You can also pay bills, transfer funds, and set up account alerts. To pay bills, simply click on the Pay Bills tab and enter the payee information and payment amount. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that your bills are paid on time. To transfer funds, click on the Transfer Funds tab and enter the amount and destination account. You can transfer funds between your Fifth Third Bank accounts or to accounts at other banks. Finally, to set up account alerts, click on the Account Alerts tab and choose the types of alerts you want to receive. You can set up alerts for low account balances, large transactions, and other account activity. By following these steps, you can easily set up Fifth Third Bank online banking and start managing your accounts online. Remember to always keep your user ID and password secure and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent fraud and identity theft.